Hi, my name is Graciela Puleo, and I will be talking to you about text-to-speech, which is found in Chapter 3 of our Assistive Technology textbook. What is text-to-speech? Text-to-speech converts electronic text into spoken audio. It also gives visual and audio presentation. As you can see in the picture, text-to-speech is simply a software offered on devices that allows you to follow along the highlighted words as they are being spoken. Text-to-speech is for students with visual impairments, students with physical disabilities, and students with a reading disability. Anyone with or without a disability always has this offered to them. Devices with text-to-speech include audiobooks, iPads, tablets, computers, and many more. In today's generation, most technology offers text-to-speech. Apps that offer text-to-speech are Read2Go, Learning Alley Audio, Ghostreader, and Chromevox. Read2Go is offered in iOS, Learning Alley Audio is offered in Android and iOS, Ghostreader is offered for Mac, and Chromevox is offered on Chrome, Windows, and Mac. Websites that offer text-to-speech are Project Gutenberg, Bookshare, Google Book Search, and Internet Public Library 2. Bookshare alone offers more than 360,000 digital books, textbooks, and teacher-recommended readings. To incorporate text-to-speech into the classroom, you can make the test on Microsoft Word, have devices with text-to-speech available, and offer audible and visual versions of all books. Our textbook gives an example of a teacher uploading a test on Microsoft Word and having the text-to-speech app available to read aloud the questions. Most applications with text-to-speech software aren't too expensive. The Read2Go app for $19.99 and the Ghostreader app for $24.99. The Learning Alley Audio and the Chromevox are offered for free, one as a Chrome additive and one found in the Apple Store. This is where I found all of my information. If you have any questions about text-to-speech, feel free to comment below or message me.